Ram 2500 continues the legacy of Ram's heavy-duty trucks, blending rugged performance with modern amenities. This model is designed for those who demand power, reliability, and sophistication in their vehicles, making it a prime choice for both work and leisure. Exterior design. 2025 Ram 2500 features a bold and aggressive exterior design characterized by its muscular lines and commanding presence. The front fascia boasts a large grille with the iconic Ram badge, flanked by sleek LED headlights. High-strength steel construction and refined aerodynamics not only enhance durability but also improve fuel efficiency. Available in a variety of colors and finishes, the Ram 2500 offers customization options to suit individual tastes. Interior. Inside, the 2025 Ram 2500 blends comfort with functionality. The spacious cabin is adorned with premium materials, providing a luxurious feel. Advanced technology is at the forefront, with a large infotainment touchscreen featuring Uconnect 5, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Ample storage solutions, comfortable seating, and optional features like a premium audio system and leather upholstery ensure a pleasurable driving experience, whether you're on a job site or a long road trip. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Ram 2500 offers robust performance options. The standard 6.4-liter Hemi V8 engine delivers impressive horsepower and torque, while the available 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine provides exceptional towing capacity and fuel efficiency. Advanced towing features, such as trailer sway control and a fifth-wheel gooseneck prep package, make it an ideal choice for hauling heavy loads. The Ram 2500's suspension system ensures a smooth ride, even under challenging conditions. Safety features. Safety is paramount in the 2025 Ram 2500. The truck is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning with active braking, and a 360-degree surround view camera. These advanced technologies work together to provide peace of mind and protect both driver and passengers. Market position. The 2025 Ram 2500 stands out in the heavy-duty truck market, offering a blend of power, luxury, and advanced technology. Competing with the likes of the Ford F-250 and Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD, the Ram 2500 continues to attract a loyal customer base with its superior performance and refinement. Its versatility makes it suitable for a range of applications, from commercial use to personal transportation. In summary, the 2025 Ram 2500 is a formidable player in the heavy-duty truck segment. With its striking design, high-performance capabilities, luxurious interior, and advanced safety features, it meets the demands of modern truck enthusiasts. Whether you need a reliable workhorse or a comfortable vehicle for long journeys, the Ram 2500 is built to deliver on all fronts.